Is your Samsung phone screen not turning off and draining your battery? Don't worry. Here are the step-by-step solutions to fix the screen not turning off issue on your device. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off Stay Awake. First, go to the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on the developer option. Make sure to turn it on. Here you can see the Stay Awake option. Now simply toggle it off. Solution 2. Turn off Keep Screen On while viewing. Go to the settings page again, then scroll down a little bit. Tap on the display. Scroll down again. Find out the Screen Timeout option, then tap on it. At the below, you'll find the Keep Screen On while viewing option. Now simply turn it off. After that, check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Change screensaver. Scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on the screensaver option. Make sure to select None. Solution 4. Check your software update. Go back to the settings page. Scroll down. Find out the software update option. Tap on it. Then tap on Download and Install. If you have any updates available, they will start downloading automatically. I hope this helped you solve your issue. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.